Let's go. Howdy y'all. We are poling through a very shallow area. Good to get to somewhere really cool. Anticipate all this. So I didn't anticipate all this. What is it? Well guys, sometimes there's only one way to figure it out. Sometimes you gotta get in the water and walk in the damn mud. Brad, show them what we're working with here.
A couple inches.
We're almost to where we need to be. We push-poled about 3/4 of a mile. Somewhere up here is the cut that we're looking for, where we can cut over into the areas where we're trying to get some tarpon and snook and stuff, but almost there. All right, see ya. That's why we did it. Pulling up. This is our destination, baby. Alright guys, so we're gonna pop the trolling motor down, troll around for a little bit. There's some stuff blowing up around us. So see if we can't get on them, baby. Oh my god, I got smacked. There's tarpon. Really? Yeah, it's him. They big just, one? No. They're like, they can't even eat it. Look at them. They just screamed tarpon to me. I think it's gonna be too big, bro. Well, not for that snook, I guess. Dude, we just saw the biggest freaking snook just cruise by us, fin out of the water. It looked like a little shark. We didn't catch him though, because we suck. There's like a bar in the middle, and it's deep on both sides. Oh! Little bite? Yeah, but nothing huge. Oh yeah, baby. I'm ready to get out. If you want to cast over there. We are up in the groves. Up in it. Massive snook in front of me. Oh my god. He's coming right up on me, bro. It's a shark. Really? Yeah, there's a bull shark in front of me. Right here. Oh my god, dude. That was sick. Oh. He's still up here. I just missed a fish too. Little tarpon. Little tarpon. Yeah. There he is. Ah. Yeah, but it's still a tarpon. Alright, you guys. Deep in some mangroves here. Lots of tarpon rolling. This is primarily a scouting mission, but obviously the mission's goal is to land fish. So that's what we're trying to do. I'm gonna change the battery in my chest mount. Brad's still on mini mullet because there's a lot of rolling tarpon. So I'll be back. Brad's sight casting a big red. There he is. There he is. Oh, dude, that is a nice red. Dude. What? Bro, this is a... Oh my god, he's on it. Dude, dude, dude. Oh. There's a freaking bunch of... Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Bro, there's so many reds around here. Oh, I got hit. Oh, oh. I think those are little tarpon. Look, you see this?
Little tarpon?
Oh.
Little tarpon?
No, that's reds. He's still on it. He's still on it. Oh, oh my god. Brad, we need a paddle tail or something. Oh my god!
Was that a tarpon?
Yes! Little homie came flying out of the water, dude. It's the last thing I expected. How sick was that, dude?
Was it a little one or big?
It wasn't big. Who cares? Still got full battery. Oh my god!
Get him.
That was a freaking unit!
Snook.
Tarpon. Big tarpon. Oh my god. Broke my whole fucking... Oh my god. You see what I'm saying, bro? They're just so bad at eating. I love it.
Red hit. We've seen reds on this flat. Bro, when I'm telling you we're like...
Oh my god, a shark! Bull shark,
one?
yeah.
Yeah, we had like a 3-foot bull shark.
Look, he's right there. You see him?
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
That's another one. We had one literally swim up to our feet as we were... I just died all over, man.
Yep. Went from 3/4 to done. Oh my god.
Get him, son. God, that was cool.
Got him from too. I think that was a snook too. Yeah. Alright, not gonna lie, I didn't expect to have to, I'm not out there anymore. We didn't catch anything, but it was still sick to go explore somewhere I've never been. I did have to push pole for like a whole 30 minutes and then drag the boat to get into there. I know I clipped some of that, but it's cool. We saw massive tarpon, we saw a bunch of reds, we saw one of the biggest snook I've ever seen. We saw some bull sharks, just super cool experience. So I do believe tomorrow morning I'm gonna go back by myself, spend a little more time, spend a little more whatever, trying to figure out the fish, and hopefully we'll get on them. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Yeet! If you hear all these noises I'm making, it's not because I'm tired. It's because there's about 10,000 freaking mosquitoes around me. Howdy y'all. We are back out here. Took a little work. Little tricky by myself, but we're out here. I'm gonna keep my eyes out for rolling tarpon. We'll go throw a topwater around the corner. It would be nice to get out here much earlier, but it's impossible. I literally started getting here at sunrise and it takes like 30-40 minutes, so whatever. Here we go. I'm gonna get to it. Yee. Oh. Dude, that was freaking sick. Holy. Brother. When I went to swing on him, he just wasn't there. I swear they're so bad at connecting sometimes. Like when they're eating aggressively, they just can't do it. They're so bad. There he is. That was a snook. Holy. Oh my goodness. That was fun. Oh my God. He just knocked it out of the water every time. Dude, talk about crazy. Oh my gosh. Brother, that was nuts. Oh, gotcha. Good snook. There we go, baby. This is gonna get a little wild. Down. Not sure what to do here. Lost him. Dude, my heart's still pumping. That was crazy. I have no idea how big that snook was, but if I had to guess, I would like to say upper 30s. I don't know. I saw the back of his body and he was a beast, but like, I couldn't stop him. I'm in a Jon Boat. He towed me right into the mangroves. I mean, I guess I could have opened my bail, tried my luck, but I had my rod low enough. I thought that I would be able to keep him, you know, somewhat and make some decisions, but I think he had swallowed it so deep that he had most of the leader in his mouth because it looked like a clear fray from the mouth, not from the mangroves. So, wow, let's go. Alright, so, look at all these freaking bugs around me. We threw for some more of them snook, but before I get too deep into that, I'm pulling up on the spot where yesterday we saw a bunch of reds, and I'm going to throw this pink gulp and jig it off the bottom and see if that'll get a bite better than what we were doing yesterday with the mini mullet. I think it will, so hopefully they're still there. Okay, let's go. Alright, ghetto anchored the boat. And I'm just going to wait around this flat. Throw in this gulp. See if I can't find one of those reds. Listen to that. Do you hear that? Do you? Exactly. You don't. Because there's nothing to hear. How beautiful is that? I'm used to fishing in places where I can't find these stupid jig heads. There's nothing but boats and blah blah blah. Nothing out here. Nothing. I haven't even caught a fish in 2 days. But I've had some sick blow-ups. And just broke off here a minute ago, and I'm just tying up because I snagged on something. I'm about to try to get these reds. Oh my goodness, there's something blowing up on board out here. Might have to throw the toppy, but I'm having a blast, dude. Oh, love it. Oh, tarpon. Oh, let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh my God. Freaking Mayans. Oh. Something on. What the heck is that? What is that? Snook? Tarpon? It's a little tarpon. Oh, goodness. Let's go. Nice snook. Nice snook. Nice snook. Got her out. Got her out. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. Oh boy. She's a beauty. Oh boy. We got problems. No, you don't. Talk about freaking catching the damn fish. Bring her out in open water. That's a horse. That's a horse. Yeah, baby. She got foul hooked. How you like that, baby? How you like that? Oh, man. Tell me how I foul hooked this big girl in the eyeball. That was a nice fish. Yeah, son. It ain't for nothing. I'll let this girl go. Alright, I'm gonna zoom over to where the reds were yesterday. See what's up with that. Fish that same little area. And I might head in. I don't know. It all depends. We'll see. But man, what a day so far. I love this boat. I love this area. So much to explore. Yee. I didn't even know we had it. Holy bull shark. They'll surprise you. What? What do we got? I think we found reds. Oh, it's a big snapper. Oh my gosh, look at this. He's got me stuck on this stick. He's right here in front of me. Big old snapper. Look, there's a school of them. Oh, what do I do? How am I gonna get him? This is ridiculous. Dude, there is some mondo snapper. All right. All right, we're gonna get creative. Is he free? What? Bro, what do I have going on here? Oh, dude. Look at that horse. Dang, dude. I gotta untangle this whole stick thing, but... Dude, I was just about to leave. And I popped like a 14-inch mangrove on a gulp and then caught another one right after. So I'm gonna keep going. Changing the battery, let's go. And then we're leaving, I promise. I'm tired, it's hot, dude. This is so fun, I love it. Hell yes. All right, that was a big snapper. Let's see if I can get another one. I think I need a new gulp though. Here they are. Oh my gosh. What do I have here? I don't know what this is. I think it's another big snapper. It is. Look at that. He's not as big, but that's freaking cool. I'm about to sit here and pop on these for a minute. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. As soon as it hits the water, dude. And I'll tell you what, on this light rod, that junk's fun. Red. Red. Two reds, I spooked them. I didn't catch any, and I'm hot and tired, so I'm heading in. I found redfish, black drum, snook, jacks, and have you ever seen an area more beautiful than this? Bull shark swimming by, snapper, all kinds of stuff in here. This is gonna be my first spot next time I come in. Anyways, I'm heading in. I'm sure I'll do a little outro or something, but what a blast. Thanks for coming along. I'll see you guys soon. There's a freaking red right there. Man, I should have cast it. All right, I gotta go.